Hi friends, I'm Pooja. Today I'm come up with the topic SQL Server database. In this session, I'm going to tell you what are all the activities that are present in the database and how the database activities will work by taking one simple demo. Here, search for database and here you get some activities: connect, disconnect, execute non-query, execute query, insert, and start transaction. In previous video, I already tell you how connect query will work and how disconnect will work and all. We want to configure this SQL server to this UiPath Studio. First, we need the connection string, right? So take here, click on configure connection and click on connection wizard. Here you want to select Microsoft SQL Server. Click on OK. And here it is asking server name. Just give your server name. Now here I am use SQL Server authentication and give your user ID and password and click on OK. Here also click OK. Now your database is connected to this UiPath. Now coming to this Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio, go to databases and click on your database and click on your table and click here new query. It will come like this and drag here your table and here just type select star from it will come like this. Select start from your table name and here click execute. As of now, we didn't insert any data, so it is coming like name, value, and description. Here, if you want to insert any data here, now type insert into, copy this table name and paste it over here. Otherwise, you can do like this also. Yeah. Insert into config table name and name, value, comma, description. And you want to insert values also, right? In values, in single quote, mention URL. And here I'm giving www.google.com can give any description like this is the URL of Google, like this. Close the bracket. And here just execute this. It is showing one row affected. This row is called execute non-query, where it is showing the message like one row is affected, like which row is affected, it will show that. And select this, select staff from your table and execute. See here, whatever the values that you have given here in the execute not query, in table it is showing like this, like it is inserted whatever the values you given. And coming to the UiPath, take execute non query. Here copy this insert query, and in here it is showing SQL query text must be quoted. So in double quotes, you paste it, and here you need to give the, you need to create the output records. Just I'm creating like affected row. After copy this insert query, and you can run this. Once after the successful completion of this run flow, go to this server database studio, and you can see here second row is inserted with the same URL with the same details. Because we configure this database with UiPath. Now here it is an hard coded value, right? We are giving here a static things. So how can we pass variables and parameters here in non-execute non-query? I will show you. First, you need to take as an activity, and here you need to create an variable that is name. Name here in value field, you give whatever the name you want. I'm giving as Pooja. And take another as an activity. Here you need to give value, and this is a string, so we are writing here within double quotes. UiPath and take another as an activity. Here you take description. Here in double quotes, these are the details. And here in execute non-query, go to edit query. Here you can give the variable. You can pass the variables. Just remove this name description. And here also you just remove this hard-coded values. How to pass variable? Now I will show you. First take single quote, double quote plus your variable name, that is name, double quote, single quote. Then if you want to separate this by comma, then put comma, then again single quote, double quote plus your another variable, that is value, plus double quote, single quote, and separated by comma, single quote, double quote plus description plus double quote, single quote. Then click on OK. And here I created one output variable, that is affected row, and take one message box activity. Here you need to give the variable, that output variable from execute non-query, that affected row. And after this is done, just save this and let's run. And this is the how to pass variable, that is done. Now how to pass parameters, I will show you. Here in input parameters, here you need to create 3 parameters, one for names, but the thing is you have already created one variable, that is name, value and description, and the parameters names also should be unique. It not should be same as that already created variable. So now I'm giving here as values, and here I give as disk. In direction, if you want to give, select as per your requirement. Here I take all as in, and here you need to assign variable name, value and description. Click OK. After passing parameters, here go to edit query in execute non-query, and as you can see here in parameters, you can get all parameters of